Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and today I thought it would be really fun to go ahead and make one of those iconic Mickey wreaths for your house. Now, everyone said to me, Jess, there's a lot of work that goes into this. Can you give me a really simple DIY? And I said, yeah, I think I can. So we went to Joann's, and you can see they had a huge sale on all their wreaths, and they were 50% off. So first step one, you got a pen, I hope? We can write it all down, right? Go find a wreath that looks similar. Now, again, if you wanted to, you could buy all the pieces, you could put all this together, but we thought, you know what? Let's just use that. Super easy. So step two, we need to find a Mickey that can go in the middle of this. So I Googled it, and then I also looked on eBay, and you can see here, they have some pumpkins that you can buy that already have the Mickey face on there. Super easy. Go ahead and purchase whichever one you like. Now, it may not look identical, but that's okay. The trick really is to find something that looks similar enough that when you put it up, it will help remind you. And there were a ton of them, like the blow mold ones, like this one, super cute. Now, at Disney World, the ears are not black, they're orange, so easy to paint if you wanted to change it out. I liked this one, and that's the one I ended up actually buying, because I put a bunch of non-real candles, like the little, where you put a battery in there, and it lights up. So it's really cool at night. So let me just show you again. So there he is. Super cute. And there he is, trick or treat. So again, first step was we found that wreath. Second step was we found a Mickey Halloween pumpkin basket that's about the right size. So you can see, oh, our little one. You can see the wreath is going to be almost perfect. So we're going to need to get some hot glue. And we are almost done. And that's what I'm saying. Like, you don't have to overcomplicate the DIY projects. Don't get me wrong. Some of them you can, and that's a lot of fun. But I thought with this one, the wreath had everything we needed. And so now what we did, let's just show you here. We're going to try and just sort of set it in there. Now, does it look identical to the ones? It doesn't. But watch, it actually slides in really nice. So let me see if you can just see it pops out the back. Now, the option from here would be to maybe cut the pumpkin in half if you wanted. Or you can leave it solid. We decided to leave it solid, which worked out really well. And then what we're going to do is use the hot glue gun, and we are going to glue this in. I thought, you know what, let's keep it simple, let's keep this easy, and it's going to look great. I'm really excited. Now, I would encourage you to use more hot glue than you think you might need, because you don't want it to move and you want it to hold it in place. And we also put a bunch of candles inside of the pumpkin so that it lights up at night. So with that, that's additional weight. So it's really important that you make sure that the bucket that you used is not going anywhere. Now, we decided not to paint the ears orange because I thought, it looks so cool as it is. And I'll be really honest, it kind of gives some nice contrast when it's hanging up in the house. So it's really, again, it's really up to you to decide how you want your Mickey bucket to look. And the best thing I can tell you at this point is the process really is about patience and playing around with how much hot glue you really need. I'm going to take just a quick moment. Down on the bottom right hand side there is a little red YouTube icon. Please click on that and subscribe to our channel. There's no cost to do that. If you are interested, we do have a subscription if you want to support the channel, and you'll see the word join. And then you get a bunch of special features. I've got a lot of fun adventures and some new stuff coming, so this channel will be evolving, and I'll be filming that video very soon. I cannot wait to share that with you. So be sure to subscribe just to the regular channel, or if you want to support the channel, you can click the join and actually become a member of the channel. Then you get a bunch of fun perks as well. Now what I love is just holding this up, you can see how much sunlight actually comes through the bucket that we chose. So definitely think about that or take that into consideration when you are purchasing, you know, which Mickey you're going to buy. I really like it because when I put the candles in, you can see how bright it actually does glow, which is, it's really cool. So again, we're just hot gluing everything in. More than anything, this just takes time to get it all set. And the best part is once you give it some time to cool down, it's done. It's ready to go. No fuss. So you could make a couple of these to hang up, and they look amazing on the wall. Super easy, really fast to make. So I just want to say happy Halloween, everybody. I hope that you're having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Visit my website, jessicalynoriginal.com. And then I added a few more videos for you to take a look at. Take care, everybody.